Imagine this: an AI system flags you as high risk for a heart attack. You ask why? It responds because your blood pressure is high, and your cholesterol, and your age. Sounds reasonable until you realize all three of these factors are closely linked. So, which one is really pushing the risk for you? The AI doesn't know. It's been trained on data where these things always move together. So it can't really tell what's actually driving the outcome for you. That's multicollinearity, and in healthcare, it can silently undermine the accuracy and trustworthiness of AI-powered decisions. I'm Anja Merchant. I'm a lawyer in the UK, trained in artificial intelligence and AI ethics at the University of Cambridge. I advise companies on AI governance, explainability, privacy, and data protection. And I founded Lawtificial Integrity to apply law and integrity to artificial intelligence. Today, we're looking at a subtle but serious flaw in how AI systems are trained and used in healthcare. What is multicollinearity? Multicollinearity occurs when two or more input variables in a model are so strongly correlated that the AI system can't really tell them apart. It sees patterns, but it loses sight of which variable is actually causing the outcome and which ones are just traveling in the same direction. Think of it like trying to figure out what's making you feel unwell when you're taking three medications that all have overlapping side effects. You know something's causing the issue, but you're not able to isolate what. Let's look at a real example: an AI model used to predict heart disease risk. It draws on data points like blood pressure, cholesterol, BMI, age. But here's the problem: older adults typically have higher cholesterol and blood pressure. These factors overlap so heavily that the model can't confidently identify which one is actually increasing the risk in a given patient. As a result, a 40-year-old with dangerously high cholesterol might get a low risk score, while a healthier 70-year-old gets flagged, simply because the model learned from patterns, not causes. That's not just misleading, it can lead to undertreatment or overtreatment because of wrong signals. Moving to our second example, during COVID-19, hospitals in many countries turned to AI tools to prioritize limited ICU beds. Some models used a mix of age, oxygen saturation, number of chronic conditions. But these variables were so strongly interrelated, especially in older populations, that the model often couldn't differentiate between someone struggling due to current infection severity versus someone deprioritized just because they were elderly. That meant real decisions about ventilators and treatment were based on entangled risk factors, not clear medical logic. That's not just a technical bug, that's a breakdown in clinical accountability. In healthcare, decisions must be explainable. Clinicians need to understand why a patient is flagged high risk. Regulations or regulators need to see that predictions are medically justified. And patients, especially those denied or delayed treatment, have the right to know what influenced that outcome. But when multicollinearity is baked into the AI model, the lines get blurred. The model still outputs a risk score, but its reasoning becomes unstable, even self contradictory. It looks like precision, but it could really be confusion at scale. So, what do? You should use regularization techniques like lasso regression, which penalize redundant variables. Apply dimensionality reduction tools like principal component analysis or PCA to simplify overlapping features into clearer, uncorrelated factors. And most importantly, embed meaningful human oversight. Multidisciplinary teams, not just data scientists, but also clinicians and AI governance professionals, must review healthcare model inputs and logic before deployment. In other words, don't just ask what the model predicts, ask why and whether that why makes sense in real clinical terms. Reach out should you need assistance with explainability statements. Multicollinearity won't make the headlines, but it can quietly skew diagnoses, distort risk assessments, and mislead decision makers, all while appearing perfectly scientific. That's why we must build AI for healthcare that is not just data driven, but medically coherent, explainable, and regulation compliant. Because artificial intelligence needs human integrity.